Good morning, sir. Here are the OOP concept and database for our final project, and we are the presenter, Brandon Del Abril, Lopez Sala, and Rainer Santos. So here at slide 2, we'll see the overview of the program. This Java program provides a simple console-based system for managing pet records. It allows users to add, view, update, and delete pet information through a menu-driven interface, addressing the challenge of organizing pet records efficiently. Ideal for small-scale use, explanation of the program. With the help of this Java application, users can maintain pet records in a console-based setting using basic veterinary management system. It offers a menu-driven interface through which users may add, view, update, and delete pet information among other basic functions. When adding or upgrading a pet, users must enter the pet's ID, name, animal type, and description into the system. The application provides a centralized platform for storing and modifying pet data, hence addressing the requirement for effective pet record administrations. This Vet Manager class manages pet recording, providing functionalities to add, view, update pets while persisting the data in CSV file. It uses an in-memory list to store pet objects and ensures data consistency by saving changes to the file after every operation. The program reads existing records from the file upon initialization, making it suitable for maintaining pet information across sessions. This addresses the problem of the organizing and persisting pet records, providing a lightweight solution for users who need a simple yet reliable system without the complexity of database. A pet entity is represented by the pet class, which has attributes like name, animal, and description. In addition to methods for displaying information, converting an object to a CSV-compatible string, and rebuilding an object from a CSV line. It extends a base entity class. In order to provide a smooth connection with file-based storage for the storing and retrieval of pet records, this class tackles the challenge of encapsulating pet-related data and offering an organized method to handle it. In the larger pet management system, it serves as the cornerstone for individual pet entries. To indicate the size of a team under the entity's management, the manager class adds a team size attribute to the pet class. In order to add team size information to the pet's attributes, it overrides the display info method. By adding the new functionality and enabling a manager object to inherit pet-related properties, this class demonstrates extensibility in the pet management system and meets the need for hierarchical or data management. The base entity class is an abstract class that serves as a foundation for other entities in the system, providing a shared ID attribute and enforcing the implementation of the display info method in subclasses. It addresses the problem of maintaining a consistent structure and behavior across different types of entities, promoting code reusability and a clear inheritance hierarchy in the pet management system. The base entity class is an abstract class that serves as a foundation for other entities in the system, providing a shared ID attribute and enforcing the implementation of the display info method in subclasses. It addresses the problem of maintaining a consistent structure and behavior across different types of entities, promoting code reusability and a clear inheritance hierarchy in the pet management system.
Demonstration of CRUD. So in this code, the vet manager class is the one who manage pet records using CRUD operations, which is create, read, update, and delete, and it interacts with an external CSV file, which is the pet.csv for data persistence. So create add pet. It is the one who adds a new pet to the list and saves the update list to the CSV file. And the read view pets. It displays all pet details by loading the data from the CSV files. And the update, it updates the pet information by finding it via its ID, modifying its details, and saving the updated list back to the file. And last is the delete pet. It removes a pet from the list based on its ID and saves the changes to the file. The save to file and load from file methods ensure the pet is consistently saved and loaded from external file, allowing for persistent storage across program runs.
Demonstration of objects creation and method invocation. Object classes. Vet manager equals new vet manager. This creates an instance of the vet manager class which is responsible for managing pet records, adding, viewing, updating, and deleting pets. The object manager is used to invoke the methods defined in the vet manager class. Method invocation. The program runs in a loop providing a menu where users can choose an operation based on the user's input. The corresponding method of the vet manager objects is invoked. Add pet. Manager.addPet. This line creates a new pet object with the provided details such as ID, name, animal type, and description. The passes it to the addPet method of the manager objects. These methods then adds the pet to the list and save it to the file viewPets. Manager.viewPet. This invokes the viewPets method of the manager objects, which displays the details of all pets in the list by iterating through the pets collection. Update pet. Manager update pet. This method is invoked to update an existing pet's details. The ID is used to identify the pet, and the new name, animal, and description are passed as arguments to the method. Summary of the key learning points. The provided code is a simple pet management system implemented in Java, demonstrating CRUD operation such as create, read, update, delete on the pet data. The system allows users to interact through a command line interface to manage a list of pets, with the data being stored in a CSV file for persistence. For example, key components. Pet class represents pet information with the fields like ID, name, animals, and description. It includes methods for displaying data and converting to /form CSV format. Vet manager class manages a list of pets and handles CRUD operation such as add, view, update, delete. It also saves and loads pet data to form a CVS file using the CSV handler. CSV handler class provides methods to read and write pet data to a CSV file, ensuring data persistence across program runs. Base entity class. A base class for entities with the ID attributes which is inherited by pet. Manager class. A subclass of pet with the added team size attribute to extend functionality. Main class. This is the main class. Provides a text-based menu interface for users to perform operation on the pet data. So the key learning points is The code demonstrates object-oriented programming or OOP principles such as inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. CRUD operations are implemented to manage PET data. Data is persisted in a CVS file, allowing the system to retain information between runs. A simple CIL interface is used to interact with the user, demonstrating input handling with the scanner class.